Okay, I'm with Signature Kitchen Suites and in their booth. Let's see if we can talk to somebody. Let me dink around. Let's see if we can get somebody on the phone, on the line, because this is virtual. I'd love to talk to somebody. All right, let me see here. Let's click. Just bear with me.
Hey, what was your name again?
This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory.
Well, it's good to see you guys. You're your first customers we've been able to see all
Yeah, we'd rather be there in person, of course. Anyways, we'll take your advice and we'll do what you mentioned.
Okay, great.
Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. All right. In the meantime, let's tour the booth since we're here. Okay, Signature Kitchen Suites. Here we go. Just looking at the picture here, a few things that I happen to know about Signature Kitchen Suites. They've got some unique solutions that no one else really has in the industry. For example, they have a 48-inch, or pardon me, a column height and depth refrigerator that has ice and water, water internally. It's actually tricky to find. I was working with a customer who was looking for that exact style of refrigerator. A lot of Signature Kitchen Suites competitors, beautiful appliances, but they didn't have that one configuration. You can count on Signature Kitchen Suites for having those kind of solutions. Their 48-inch Pro range, it's really cool. It does everything. It's got steam oven on both ovens. It's got sous vide built into the cooktop. It's got induction. It's got gas. And then all the automatic chef features in both ovens, which is really kind of rare. A lot of times you only see those chef features in one or the other, but they have them in both. It's really a great thing. A drawer microwave, their dishwashers, you know, just really solid feeling when you open that thing. It's got a lot of heft to it. Really beautiful, nice ventilation, and that hooks up to wirelessly to the cooktop, so when you turn on the cooktop, it automatically kicks on the fan to the right level, which is kind of cool. And then their wall ovens, they've got combination cooking, all those chef features that you can expect to have. Really, really nice appliances. You know, they're a relatively new luxury brand, Signature Kitchen Suites. They haven't been around for a long time, but I am highly impressed with all the innovations they bring to a kitchen. If you want the latest and greatest, with all the tech features, and you don't care so much about, let's say, heritage, you know, an appliance company that's been around for 50 years. This is a great way to go. All right, let's see what else we can find. They make great videos, so they have their own chef in the Signature Kitchen Suites kitchen. I believe it's in Napa Valley, beautiful area. And Mark Bittman, who is a author. He's really known for his line of salts. He's a food editor for one of the major publications. Really super knowledgeable about food. And then they cook with people virtually. Really a fun video series. Check it out on YouTube. It's worth a watch. And here we go. We were talking about that 40-inch Pro range with that built-in sous vide, and it looks like this. So it's a deep water bath sous vide. You drop your food in there, spin the knob, you know, vacuum pack your food, and you know, put that in the morning, come back at night, your food's ready to go. Quick sear, either on the gas or the induction cooktop, depending on how much control or speed you're looking for. And that's really going to give you a beautiful, beautiful dinner, really in minutes. Really innovative. So Signature Kitchen Suites, they're so new that they don't have a ton of really exciting things coming out every single moment like some of the more legacy brands. However, I want you to tune into the YouTube channel, Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom's YouTube channel. Last year we went to the booth and we saw their prototype speed oven. So you can go back and watch the 3-part video series where we walk around Signature Kitchen Suites booth and we learn about everything that they have. Really beautiful stuff, so make sure you check that out. So thank you for tuning in to Signature Kitchen Suites KBIZ booth. We've enjoyed touring it, and we're going to look forward to speaking to them in person. Thanks for tuning in.